Some good news for a change. New rules are coming in next month which will strengthen protections for consumers. Now, this is long overdue in this country. We don't have very strong consumer protections. But the central bank does have a rule book for companies. It's called the Consumer Protection Code, CPC. Now, this Consumer Protection Code is about levelling the playing field, as it were, so that consumers get a better deal, a better shake. And there's some changes coming in from March 24. For example, from then, you'll no longer be automatically renewed on dental insurance, gadget insurance, pet insurance, and travel insurance. So they'll have to ask you, unless you've already said, fine, just keep automatically renewing my policy. This will give you a better chance to shop around, you may get better value, and you won't just be rolled over onto the same policy every year. That's a strengthening of the position for consumers. Another rule to come in will help mortgage switchers. If you're trying to do a mortgage switch, the bank will have to give you the deeds or the title documents within 10 working days, subject to certain conditions. And unless they have a good reason for not doing this, they will basically have to do it, or else they'll be in trouble with the central bank. Other rules are around vulnerable customers. They'll be able to use a trusted contact person to help them. We're talking about here people who have some sort of a disability. Maybe they're older, maybe they're a literacy problem, or they're foreign and they don't speak English very good. There's some strengthening of the rules around that as well. And finally then, companies will have to prove that if they're offering you something which they say is environmentally friendly, they'll have to be able to prove that. So this gets rid of this greenwashing nonsense where every company tells you they're operating in a sustainable and eco-friendly way. So the rules are being strengthened there as well. So all of this comes in from the end of next month, basically, and it's good news for consumers.